Hey guys, it's Jim Chandler with Rock Your Best Vocals. I'm really excited about this one today because I've got several requests to break down how to sing like Layne Staley. So if you want to learn how to sing like Layne Staley, stick around because this one's for you. He's one of my favorite singers and I'm so excited to do this. So first thing we have to do is we have to break down Layne's basic style, and something that's really characteristic of Layne is Layne's pronunciation of words. He sings quite nasally, so he's got and a so those kind of sounds. So if you want to do those with me, let's get those, because those are the real basics. The and the So those two sounds are really characteristic of Layne Staley's style. So do those with me right now. And the way you do those is you take a big deep breath in. It's almost like you're holding your breath like you're jumping underwater. Deep breath in, and you'll see my shoulders go up. Don't worry about that. You see, a lot of people say you breathe in and your belly goes out. You don't lift your shoulders. When you breathe in, you're taking air in your lungs. So sometimes your shoulders are going to go up. Kind of naturally, they'll raise up when you're breathing in. Okay, that's how he starts off a lot of lines. And another way is Rooster. Here they come to snub the rooster. The way you get that sound is kind of round your mouth out. So try it with me. You see the difference? If I was just to sing Rooster normally, here they come to snuff the rooster, rooster. Layne would sing it. Here they come to snuff the rooster, oh yeah. You hear that? That's very characteristic of Layne. So you've got to get those two sounds. And nice round mouth. What I do is lift my tongue up and kind of drop the tongue down. And you lift your tongue up, but you drop the bottom of your mouth to make that R sound. And then it's very nasally. So that's characteristic of Layne's style. So we'll go through a few of the songs from their unplugged version. The reason why I'm doing that is because you can see Layne's face up close, and you can see how he doesn't really open his mouth that much on most of the lines. There are a couple of them I'll kind of point out when he's on those ones where he's opening his mouth, but I'm just going to point out the fact that if you look at him closely, his real closed mouth style, okay? The first song is Nutshell, okay? So let's take a look at Layne there right now. My gift of self is raped. My privacy is raped. If I can't be my own, I feel better dead. You hear that at the end? Dead. So in those, you can see where he's so if you have to, start off a line going a couple times before, so you get that feeling of holding your breath. My privacy is raped. And when you do that, you can sustain a note for a little bit longer. If you're kind of holding your breath, what you're doing is you're using maximum efficiency for your breath. You're taking a lot of breath in and you're letting just a little bit out. You can sustain notes longer And you'll notice the tonal quality sounds a lot better than letting air out. That's a lot of air being let out. And when I'm doing that, I could feel that rattling in my throat, in my larynx, and that's actually damaging my larynx. So if you feel that rattling in your larynx, you're gonna damage your voice. You could probably sing a couple of gigs in a row like that, but it's gonna damage your voice over time. Trust me, I've done that a lot, and I've damaged my voice a lot. You insult me in my home, you're forgiven this time. Things go well, your eyes dilate, you shaking, I'm high. Now, when I'm doing that, I'm using just compression down in my abdomen. And I'm high. I'm not pushing anything from up here. I'm not pushing any air out. I'm just all compression being pushed from my abdominal muscles. All the compression is being pushed from my abdominal muscles. And I'm holding my breath in. Things go well, your eyes dilate, you're shaking, I'm high. So this next part of Sludge Factory is the chorus, where you can see he does open his mouth a bit on the out. To kindly girl go out a date for me. The reason why I wanted to show that is just to illustrate that he does open his mouth on some points, but the most part, he's keeping his mouth closed. It's very relaxed. He's not pushing at all or straining, or you see no strain in his neck or anything. So I just wanted to point that out, that sometimes he does open his mouth. Rooster, probably the best example of Layne Staley tonality. Like, I mean, it's those two and the are really throughout Rooster a lot. So you can really practice that one if you want to really get those tonalities of Layne Staley, and then you can kind of dot those in the other songs, and that helps to kind of accentuate and get that Layne Staley sound in your mind, okay? Just make sure you take a deep breath in, and the Army Green was no safe bet. The bullet screamed to me from somewhere. So in the chorus, there's another example of when he opens his mouth. You know we ain't gonna die. So the last example is Got Me Wrong, which is one of my favorite songs from the Unplugged set. And you could see also in this example here where, again, Layne has his mouth quite closed. Start off with that, Yeah, it goes away. All of this and more, nothing in my life. You can see it at the end. All of this and more, nothing in my life. That's the sound. The Yeah, it goes away. All of this and more, nothing in my life. And I'm accentuating the end of that just so you can see the in my life. As of now, I bet you've got me wrong. On the second line of the chorus, you can see where he raises his shoulders. Someone, should we reach for something strong? So guys, I hope that helped you, my Layne Staley fans out there. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch. And please leave comments below. Love you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Rock! Rock your best vocals, where your best keeps getting better. It's a classic Layne Staley tonality quality. Fuck! And you can see there's another version of... Fuck! You know we ain't... Fuck! So then the last version is... So then the last... Fuck! Fuck. Fuck! And he's not really pushing at all except from his abdomen. Yeah!